In front of me is TCL 501 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this plus icon at the bottom left corner and click on any photo that you wish to add. If you can't find it here, select Photos icon on the left. Look for your photo here and click on it to add it. Just tap and select Add at the top right corner. If you can't find it here as well, select Folders and click on your photo over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!